Good morning, you guys. Good morning, Mama Each.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ten. Ganda. How are you, my Leo? How are you?
Okay naman po after the unos.
Ganyan. Okay. So, we are going to just do quick shoutouts because wala, tapos na akong mag-ready. We have live today on Hello, Sir Dan! I miss you! Ano na, nag-message ako sa'yo. Sabi ko, bisitahin mo sa taping. Wow! Good morning and congratulations to my friend Beng for Michaela Fine Collection opening in SM Molino this August. Congrats, Beng! And I hope to see you soon. So, dyan ako nagpapagawa ng mga alahas ko, guys. Hello! Hi! Hi, Cap Jello! I miss you, Kuya! Kamusta ang lahat? Hi, Desnegi! Shout out to everybody watching. Hi, Teddy! I miss you. Nasa Ireland ka pa ba? I miss you guys. Okay, so thank you, Tay. This is my lapel. This is the microphone that we use for our show. Hi, Mitchell Guevara. Ano na, ano nang plano kay Sky? Pabagsakin siya. Yun ang, Ma'am Tori, hiring po ba kayo? Guys, na-enjoy niyo ba si Tori lately? Kasi na-enjoy ko siya. Okay, wait a minute. We have to put my lapel somewhere. But it's not gonna be too soon. There you go. Does that seem fine? Pwede kang maging member ng Beanie Blooming ka. Hello. Hi, Boss Lavin. Lavin, dala-dala ni B yung skincare for Madam Jades. Pero I'm already in contact with people. So I'll update you guys very soon. Hi, Ronald. Okay, who else are here? We have people from Toronto. Domno, so pretty po, Madam. Good morning and I love your show. Hi, Chick Legal Community. Good job! That is the point. Ang pagigilin kayo. Okay, so who else are here? We all have people. Cheryl from Saudi Arabia. From Davao also. ICAT. Hello. Who else are here? Sweat. I love your top. Thank you. I love it too. It's giving Lola fashion. It's giving Lola fashion. Yung mga tinatahi ng mga lola natin. Ganyan yan. Good morning. Hello, Corazon. Walang nakakaalam nun. Kayo-kayo lang. Go, Ron. Pwede na ata? Pwede na ba? Ronald Visorda, Tori, hello! Lavin, alam mo naman tayo. Hindi ko rin kasi kaya talagang manahimik sa bahay. Hi, Dance, I miss you. Shoot mo naman ako minsan. Pagigabisi sa DOT. Thank you, sweet cheers. Oh, do we have time for me to do Pilik Mata? Mama, can you please give me lang my bag? Sorry guys. Welcome to my Stabilo green bag. Thank you, iCats. Guys, I miss going live with you guys because okay, so we're gonna do like a quick okay.
Did you put the green one, sir?
Wow, taray. Talagang in English tayo dito.
Alam mo yan.
Lapel?
Kailan? 4 minutes?
Yes.
Did we say 4
Yes.
minutes? Plenty of time. Chat. Asan yung gunting, Mama? Is it here? Okay, got it. Okay, guys. So, I will put my lashes on and hope to God that it will be okay and be put on properly. Dahil kung hindi, tanggalin ko na. Hi, Jels! I miss you. Catch up soon. Brainstorming. Yes! Yes, Savini. Let's do that. I'm shooting naman. Sorry. Hi! Ang ganda mo raw, EJ, sabi ni Jello. Talagang...
Thank you po sa Jello natin.
Oo.
Apakawalang hiya.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you how I do my lashes when hopefully I do it right. Hindi mo kami maluloko. 3 minutes. Ito na nga. Nanginginig pa.
Ano naman sila, nanonood sila ng live, wala silang ginagawa.
Kaya nga, mga nasa bahay,
Bahay lang.
yung mga producers natin.
Napukumahog na dito.
Correct.
Kukumahog.
Yeah. Siyempre, hindi naintindihan ni ano.
Kukumahog. Ayan.
Ano yan?
Yung ano.
Ilang minutes? 2 pa naman. Grabe, ang tagal pa nun. Iyan. Hello guys. Hi, Cristala.
Ayun, kaya nga, di ba, ginagamit mo ang nail pang
Kalmot.
Okay, let's do this. Anong program? This is,
Diba?
this is
Lapel,
Good Morning
please.
Kapatid on TV5. So you can watch us on TV5, you guys. We are going on live and we will be live. We are a news and lifestyle show. So you can hear news as well. Okay, let's go. Oh my God. Okay, syempre, officially natataranta na. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bago to ah.
Lapel is giving.
It's
Hi.
giving bago.
Ito na. Okay, wait lang guys.
Kabilang side pala yung kulay.
Guys, wait lang kasi nanginginig na mi.
Yung namin ni Mama Dins, Dayanara Torres.
Darna.
Darna.
Okay. Siyempre mga nasa live, natataranta na rin sila. Mamaya, sunod natin ng pangtungkil ko.
Oo, laban nyo na. Isa na.
Ito na po. Bye guys! 1 minute daw. Love you guys. Bye-bye.